filming the series, how will you equal or surpass the original Thai version? Being nalulocalize yung eksena at yung storya based din sa nangyayari dito sa ating bansa. Anyone can answer first. Back?
Hindi. Paano ba? Kasi it's hard to say na paano may equal eh. Kasi at the end of the day, we did our very best. We did our own interpretation of the series. We did our own touch dun sa kada characters and own stories. Kasi this time, you know, we tackled family, you know, friends and other stuff pa about, you know, cheating and all about the series itself. So, ang hirap i-equalize, but I just know na parang may equalize siya or susubukan namin kita kasi ginawa talaga namin yung best namin dito. Like, more than 100%. Si Gab, lumabas sa comfort zone niya. Haya, lumabas sa comfort zone niya. Si Tash, binigay niya yung best niya na first time natin makikita yung Tash na ganito. And ako, iba rin yung ginawa namin ni Direct dito. So, just being different from it won't equal everything dun sa Thai. But we're just gonna do our best para ma-enjoy ng mga tao yung series na to.
Hi Gab, you wanna add to that?
This series po kasi yung Beg po very edgy, you know, yung scenes, parang hindi naman po ka-copy based syempre, pero syempre we want it to be different din as well, more of Filipino touch, more on family, ano ba yung pinagdadaanan ng isang Pat. Siyempre mayaman siya, di ba? Pero siyempre deep inside, meron din siya pinagdadaanan sa loving family niya, which is his dad. And also, yung mga iba't ibang characters, we have some issues, especially sa pagkakaibigan. And yeah, we Derek talked about it. We don't want to be like, okay, ito ang opening natin. We wanted to have a different version na Pat compared sa series or movie. So, ito.
Hi Yasil.
And to add on to the Pinoy touch, you know, every culture deals with its own different issues, whether it's in terms of family or in school or in general as a society. So of course, we shed more light into the difference into our Philippine culture. But then of course, there are still some similarities being in both Asian cultures.
Of course, Dean herself, Atasha.
Lahat naman nagsabi. Pero adding on to what they all said, of course, we never, going into this project, we never had the mindset of how are we going to hit that part as the other remakes. It was more of, let's just embrace the Pinoy culture of family, friendship, and how we go through struggles through our own morality choices. And I hope that that reflects here in Genius. And also, I think more importantly, we all gave our 100%. We gave our best and we hope that you guys enjoyed that.
Pahabol ko lang for Direct. Ang daming bata at kabataan na nanonood ng Viva One. And of course, Bad Genius is exploring the cheating scheme. Diba? Sabi nga sa series, bad moves, great moves, genius moves, bad choices. Sa tingin nyo, paano nyo siniguro na hindi ma-encourage ng series yung makakuha ng idea ng pag-cheat ang mga bata at mga estudyante na nanonood at manonood ng Bad Genius?
Since nung sinimula naman na i-conceptualize yung buong material, one thing din na sinigurado namin is that hindi magkaroon ng wrong message yung buong series. And then, to be honest, marami kami binago kahit nung nag-shoot na kami. As in, nagre-revise pa rin kami ng script just to be sure na tama yung messaging ng buong series. Just to give you dito na parang clue about it, na parang we always go back to the core of the series na parang ano yung moral lesson dito and why we should highlight this moral lesson na kapag natapos nilang panoorin yung serye is hindi nila iisipin na parang, uy, wait lang, kumbaga, ina-hype namin yung pag-cheat, no? More on ang pinafocus namin doon sa series is that what is the moral lesson behind this? And then, what are the consequences of the actions of a person kapag ginawa nila to? And one thing that I like to or I would rather say na bagay na masaya ko about this is that Viva and the whole creatives, sila Nin, sila JC, sila Direk Ronnie, we make sure na perfect yung script doon sa messaging namin na hindi kami magkakamali. Kasi nga, guys, parang ang hirap baka mamaya into consideration nila na parang, uy, wait lang, okay lang pala mag-cheat. Parang sinugurado ng Viva yun and ng buong creatives yung kumbaga na malinaw yung messaging namin dito na there are consequences for each action na gagawin natin.
Guys, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.